Okay, so my videos are usually all about the painting of models, but this is going to be a quick and different video on clicking noises about A1 and I guess also various other Bambu Lab 3D printers that would have the same thing. I can only talk about mine, which is an A1, but I watched multiple YouTube videos, probably somewhere in the order of 6 to 8 videos on clicking noises, especially when you start printing. Like this part where you see the flow, it would move forward and then go back, and then move forward and then go back. And all the videos that I watched said, like, take this part off and see if there's any filament stuck in there. You know, like, oh, it'll be a little bit of filament in your tube or whatever. And it just, none of them work. So I will link in the description the YouTube short that I found for the person that actually knew what he was talking about and how to fix it. And what you've got to do, it's kind of a bit dark down here, but basically with this part that holds your nozzle, there are 3 little Allen key screws which you have to undo. And then once you've got that off, you need to be careful because there is a wire there which is connected. But behind this, there are 4 little screws, even smaller than this, which basically hold everything together for where the nozzle goes. And in my case, 2 of the 4 were very loose. In fact, when I pulled this off, one of them just fell right on the bed plate. And so the proof is in the pudding, and I did a print and there was absolutely no clicking noise, and also the first layer line just went down perfectly, whereas before my first couple of lines of print were just real crap. So I'm very, very happy that the printer is printing properly again, and just wanted to do a very good shout out to the YouTube shorter.